stay there with me. Oh my God, guys, this is not pizza, it's not focaccia. Listen to this. This is lingue di pizza. Guys, we are going to see how to make those from scratch. It's been around for years by generation, went viral on Instagram, TikTok and everywhere. Today I'm going to show you how to do it from scratch, from the pizza dough, in the same day, in the home oven. Let's go ahead and let's make it. They don't tell you this in a 30-second video, of course. How can you learn something in 30 seconds? Guys, they made a mess with these shorts. They are killing us, real creators, that we're trying to teach the art of making pizza. Today, I'm going to show you how to make it properly at home. This is what you're gonna need. Half a liter of cold water, 750 grams of zero flour or whatever flour you find for the bread is fine, because we're gonna add the secret ingredients at the end, but not in the recipe. I'll show you what you're gonna do. 10 grams of sea salt, 50 grams of extra virgin olive oil. This is gonna help to cook the pizza and make it more crunchy. 15 grams of fresh yeast or 10 grams of dry yeast. Don't go crazy, and a little bit of honey. So we got the flour. We're gonna make a little bit different. In this case, fresh yeast. Then we're gonna add the water, little by little. Use a spoon. Save a little bit at the end, just like a little squeeze. Trying to integrate everything together with the spoon. Now that it's all together, like you can see, no more water. It takes like literally a few seconds. Now we add the extra virgin olive oil. Go ahead with your hands, just put. The goal is to put everything together. Again, it's super easy. Now, we're gonna go ahead and dump this on top of the counter. This way, I show you better. And then it's also easy to work. Save the bowl, because we're gonna need it. Done. Now, we're gonna try to add this little bit of water that we have left here, and the salt. And the last ingredient here, little bit of honey. So go ahead, I'm making again this one really easy, so no stress out. Now, when you don't see anymore this water that is on the floor, on the counter, your dough is ready. What do? You go ahead and let it rest for about 15 minutes, the first time. Okay guys, here we go, 15 minutes after. A little bit of olive oil on the top. Now, the goal is to form this ball here nice and smooth. Right now it's not smooth, so tap, I put a little bit of olive oil. Also, like you can see, my hands are nice and shiny. Go ahead and with a spatula try to detach the dough from the counter, but make sure from now on this part here is gonna be your top part. Now go ahead and try to form the gluten, because the gluten does exist. You have to create it. Yes. Here we go. Like you can see, the dough is getting nice and smooth. Here we go. Now the dough is ready, and again, a little bit of olive oil on the top. This way it doesn't dry out. Like you can see, now it's nice and smooth. Here we go. Now we're gonna let it rest for another 15 to 20 minutes. In the meantime, let's go ahead and let's get ready with the ingredients. There's not so many ingredients to prep, because this pizza is made with just tomato sauce. A good tomato sauce. I always have fun with this, because the people say, how do you prepare your tomato sauce? Well guys, I show you how I prepare my, if this thing's open, my tomato sauce. The tomato can here, and just gently go ahead and dump it. Well, I'm preparing more because we're gonna open the pizza place tomorrow. We don't waste the tomato. We put a little bit of water, and then we save the rest of the tomato. Boom. It's a little bit too small for that. For this amount of tomato, we need a handful of salt, a few spoons of extra virgin olive oil. Like you can see, olive oil goes everywhere. First, to help to cook. Second, That helps to the flavor. Here we go. That's how you prepare the tomato sauce. Now, we need tomato sauce. We need a good, what is it? A good oregano, because that's really important for this type of pizza. The secret ingredients I'm gonna explain you later on today. Let me check. Oh, the dough is almost ready. About another 10 minutes and I'll show you the next step. 15 minutes pass by. We have everything ready. I'm gonna show you right now how to do the balls. Now, we just split the dough like that. It's gonna be super, really easy. Everybody can do this. Oh, one thing I wanted to say. They say that you can make these pizzas with this lingua of pizza, tongue of pizza, without the yeast, kind of like a piadina. But honestly, I like to add a little bit of yeast to be able to have the fragrant, to have the dough more soft and crunchy in the same time, you know what I'm saying? Besides that, subscribe and watch until the end, guys. It's totally free to subscribe and you support my channel. We're gonna make the balls about 130 grams each. Just grab it and make the ball. Like you can see, it's just easy to do the ball. So you don't have to be super precise, you know. So let's make all the balls. So go ahead and place the dough balls in the container like that. All separate. So now we wait about 40 minutes to 1 hour and they are ready. This is, like you can see, I'm using a home oven. Turn it on, set like that, static. Place the oven at the max temperature. This, I'm gonna go ahead and set it up at 280 Celsius. I mean, set the timer at 10 minutes, but it might be ready before that. Of course, to be able to make a pizza, you're gonna need the same pan that is in the oven. And here we go, guys. The dough, like you can see, boom, it's ready. I mean, I let it rest for about, I want to say 40 minutes. You don't want to wait that doubles up the side, or even if it doubles up the side, you forget a few hours or so. It's easy to do this pizza. Guys, here we go. This is the secret ingredient. The breadcrumbs, guys. Yes, you heard that well. We are going to stretch the pizzas with breadcrumbs only. So this is gonna give it a nice Vito Iacopelli texture, soft and crunchy. Voila, and that's how the dough is soft. Now we're gonna go ahead and just press everything. I can't believe that went super viral. It's super easy to do. So we're gonna use a roller pin because we wanna take out all the air from the crust. Just like that. And make it super thin as possible. Super easy to work. If you get a hole, just go ahead and top. Okay, place it right here on the side and let's make the other three. So now this is the nice part of this video. So I'm gonna go ahead, put olive oil everywhere. This is gonna give it a nice texture for the bottom. Go ahead and I'm gonna make like that long. Place it like this, straight. Make sure they are really thin and they can easily get attached to each other. So it's not a big deal. Voila, that's how you stretch the lingue. So I'm gonna grab the tomato. Just go ahead and don't be shy out of the tomato. Voila, oregano. Put oregano everywhere, don't be shy. And now, again, olive oil on top everywhere. You wanna put that also on the crust. Here we go, guys. The lingua are about to be ready to go ahead and let's place it in the oven. And the oven is ready. We're gonna go ahead and place these pizzas right on the floor of the oven. Boom, voila. So now we're gonna cook it until it's done. So let's cook it. 10 minutes pass by. Can you hear that? The smell is insane. Oh my God, not perfect, more. I mean, take a look. My God, take a look how they come out. They're crispy, perfectly crispy how I want it. Insane the cook. Take a look. Let's let it cool down a little bit. Otherwise, I'm not gonna be able to finish up this video. Oh my God. Let's wait a few minutes. The time have came. The time have came. I mean, take a look of this. How they break is insane. I mean, it's crunchy. It's crunchy, soft. The yeast made it perfectly. Oh my God. It's tasty. You can go ahead and I mean, the flavor of the bottom, you can go ahead, close it, and eat it like a sandwich. Man. Make sure you do this. Tag me on Instagram and tell me. It's better than 30-second video of Instagram or TikTok. Let's make it serious because pizza is a serious thing. Thank you for watching. I'll see you every week with a new video.